What is up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to planche, the most famous calisthenics exercise that everybody wants. Today the tuck variation, and let's get straight into it because otherwise the audience attention will drop like this. But before we start, I will show you real quick how the planche works. So in order to be able to lift your legs, you need to have your hands under your center of gravity. So for example, if I take this parallel and I put my finger right in the center, it will stay horizontal all the time. But if I put it there, it falls. So that's the quick physics behind the planche, and now let's get into the basics. Before training the planche, you should always warm up your wrists, because planche guys know you will get that 1 second pain in forearms if you overdo it. So always warm up before training the planche. If you are just starting now, don't train it every day. 2 times a week should be enough if you are just starting. So today again we'll use parallels because it's less painful on the wrists. So let's say I'm in the planche, and the correct form is that you are in protraction and straight arms. So it shouldn't look like this. You know, don't arch your back, point your biceps forward, and the correct form should look like this. Basic exercise to start learning the planche is the planche lean. So you are in push-up position and you will go forward and hold it there. Then when this gets easy, go a little bit further. So this is essential exercise for the planche. I have to say that planche isn't only about the strength. For example, at the beginning of my calisthenics journey, I couldn't even do a handstand push-up and almost got the straddle planche. But now I can do maybe like 10 handstand push-ups freestanding and I'm still intact. So you need to build the straight arm strength for the planche, and in order to not lose it, you have to do these leans as much as possible. So that was the planche lean. Another variation of this is to do reps, like you are going forward, back, or from like the pike position. So always remember to have your arms straight, protraction, depression. Don't be like this, depression. Once you feel ready to move on, we'll do the tuck planche with one leg assisting us. The second exercise is the same, but you will switch your legs. Okay guys, so we're almost there. Now we will do like tuck planche palms. The second exercise you can use if you have P-bars or simply just some higher surface to put the parallels on are swings to tuck planche. You can try to pause in the tuck planche for a little bit longer. And once you master even this exercise, then you can try and hold it for as long as you can. So there you have it guys, all the way from zero to tuck planche. Remember to keep your arms straight, protracted, and don't shrug your shoulders like this. Keep them down. To summarize it, the most important exercise of all these are the planche lean. Even if you can do the straddle planche, you always do leans, because this exercise will make you progress in planche. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Comment down below if it was helpful. Give this video a thumbs up, and see you guys in the next video.